Hi friends, welcome to Healthy Natural Remedies. From ancient traditions, Ganga Jal or Ganga water is used for religious and auspicious works. Whether it's a birth of a child or death of a person, everyone is purified with Ganga Jal. Almost every Indian houses keep Ganga Jal at home. Ganga Jal has crystal clear purity, which is known as the divine mix of multi-minerals and unique herbs. Ganga Jal is known to purify every place wherever it is sprinkled. It drives away all the negative energies and brings the positive energy that brightens up the place. It is said that just a few drops of pure Ganga Jal turns everything pavitra, means holy. But many a times, while keeping Ganga Jal at home, people do not pay attention to the rules and make big mistakes. If those rules are not followed properly, then we suffer a lot of damage. So let's see what are those rules which we should follow while keeping Ganga Jal at home.
Ganga Jal contains particular chemical and healing qualities. Ganga Jal does not get spoiled for a very long time. It has miraculous self-cleaning properties. Because of this, the water never deteriorates or loses its richness, even if stored in closed utensils for years. Ganga Jal is supposed to destroy the sins and gives salvation and to people's wishes and desires. Never eat non-veg food and drink alcohol in the room where Ganga Jal is kept. Do not keep Ganga Jal in plastic bottles or cans because it will lose its properties. Always store Ganga Jal in pure metallic vessels made of copper, silver, bronze or brass, etc. Ganga Jal should be changed from time to time, due to which positive energy keeps coming. Some people keep Ganga Jal in any corner of the house or puja room, but according to Vastu and astrology, the northeast direction of the house is best for keeping Ganga Jal. Ganga Jal should always be kept in a clean place like puja room. Never keep it in dark room or dark places in the house. Ganga Jal should be touched with clean hands only after washing them. To protect the house from evil powers and eyesight, sprinkle Ganga Jal every day in every corner of the house. Never boil Ganga Jal and keep it away from bathroom. Do not wash your hands with Ganga Jal, but you can put some drops in your bath water or sprinkle it on your body. Perform Shivling Puja regularly and offer some Ganga Jal to it as an Abhishek by adding few drops of Ganga Jal in Kalash water. Also chant Shiv mantras for prosperity and success in life.
That is all for today. If you like the video, please hit like button and subscribe to our channel and hit bell icon and share this video with your friends. Stay healthy, stay fit. God bless you.